Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our pronunciation. Now we are going to learn about 3 pronunciations of ed. They are id, t and d. There are 3 rules in the pronunciation of ed in the simple past and past participle of regular verbs. Rule 1. Final ed is pronounced id after words ending in t or d sounds. Example, t sound in wanted, ed before letter t is pronounced t sound. So ed is pronounced id, that is wanted. I have written phonetic script also for easy to understand. This sound landed. Ed before letter d is pronounced this sound. So ed is pronounced id, that is landed. Landed. Rule 2. Final ed is pronounced this sound after verbs ending in p, k, f, t, s, sh, ch sounds. Example, p sound in stopped, ed before pp sounds p. So ed is pronounced t, that is stopped. Stopped. K sound in walked, ed before letter k is pronounced k sound. So ed is pronounced t sound, that is walked. Walked. F sound in laughed, ed before gh is pronounced f sound. So ed is pronounced t, that is laughed. Laughed. Th sound. Frothed. In frothed, ed before th is pronounced th sound. So ed is pronounced t, that is frothed. Frothed. sound. In kissed, ed before ss is pronounced sasan. So ed is pronounced tisan. That is kissed. Kissed. Shison. In vast, ed before sh is pronounced susan. So ed is pronounced tusan. That is vast. Vast. Susan. In reached, ed before ch is pronounced susan. So ed is pronounced tusan. That is reached. Reached. Rule 3. Final ed is pronounced d after verbs ending in remaining all sounds that means is except 9 sounds of rule 1 and 2. Example, l sound. In called, ed before ll is pronounced l sound. So here ed is pronounced d. That is called. Called. G sound. In begged, ed before gg pronounced g sound. So ed is pronounced d sound. That is begged. V sound. In loud, vd before letter v pronounced v sound. So ed is pronounced the sound. That is loud. Loud. These l, g, v are not in the 9 sounds of rules 1 and 2. So they are pronounced the sound. Thank you.